here we are in the Waiau. Had a few caught so far. I'm yet to catch one, but Tomo here has caught one, and Gareth's caught a couple. This one here is a substantially bigger one, so he's been fighting it for a while, tiring it out. We're yet to see what it actually is, so hopefully it stays on. I'm sure it will. That's a good fish, mate. Look at that tail. Yeah, it's a big brown. Look at the colour on him. Nice fish. Well done, that's a very nice fish. Well done, Gary. So I can't be sure whose bloody stupid idea it was to come down here in a raining, miserable southerly. But it worked out well. Gareth just landed this nice big brown, and he's got some good depth and colours and you name it. He put up a good fight too, just on light gear. What do you have to say, Gareth? None of the things, stay still, I'm guessing. Before we have a look at this fish, we should check out Gary's footwear. Get him, Percy!
Are you standing on his legs?
No, a little though.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a nice fish. You gonna try and eat it, are you? You got him that time, mate.
Oh shit!
You're running, eh? I told you. Don't start on the bend, but that's alright. You'll be right. Just keep on running, mate. Keep on running. Are you out of the worst of it?
Oh. Oh. You look down and you're like, oh fuck!
There's a corner coming.
Drag that in.
Okay.
You put your phone underwater.
Yeah.